Beautiful good morning to all. Once again, I welcome to all on the YouTube channel of your school Akansha Vidyapeeth. I am Sakshi and today we will discuss the new chapter of grammar, and the name of the chapter is the noun. And in this chapter, students, we will discuss the noun and the types of nouns. As we all are know from childhood that a noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. Means everything around us that can be seen is called noun. किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु अथवा स्थान के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं. हमारे चारों ओर जो कुछ भी दिखने वाली चीज़ व्यापक है वह सभी नाउन कहलाती हैं, संज्ञा कहलाती हैं. अ नाउन कैन बी द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन लाइक सुरेश, नीतू, हिमांशु, अमित एंड etc. एंड अ नाउन कैन बी द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस ऑल्सो. इलाहाबाद, लखनऊ, मुरादाबाद, आगरा. एंड एनिमल, लायन, फॉक्स, बर्ड, डॉग, tiger. And the things, chair, television, book, car, etc. And equality, poverty, belief, mercy, faithfulness, happiness, sadness, truthfulness. Okay, so student, this is the definition of noun. But now we read the types of noun. So there are 5 types of noun, students: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. So we have need to know these all nouns, these 5 types of nouns in detail. So firstly, proper noun, students. When a name is given to some particular person, place or thing, there is a proper noun as Parul, Chetan, Mirror, Detaj, Lion and etc. So students, a noun, proper noun is a name is given to some particular person. प्रॉपर नाउन वह नाउन होता है जो किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान अथवा किसी चीज़ को एक प्रॉपर, एक स्पेसिफिक नेम देता है. जैसे पारुल, चेतन, मेरठ, दिताज, लॉइन, मुरादाबाद, आगरा. ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट आई वांट टू कन्फर्म टू ऑल दैट प्रॉपर नाउन ऑलवेज बिगिन फ्रॉम कैपिटल लेटर, स्टूडेंट्स. एंड इन सेकेंडली, कॉमन नाउन, when a name is given to any person, place or thing of the same class or kind, there is a common noun, students. Village, glass, wall, clock, baby and etc. So students, in common noun is a name given of any person, place, animal or thing, any class. There is a little bit of difference between the proper and common noun, student, and we can understand this difference very easily by the help of this table. A proper noun informs about a particular person, place or thing, while on the other hand, common noun informs the class or kind, like Samsung and Nokia, students, and in common noun, mobile phone. Therefore, Samsung and Nokia is the proper noun because they indicate a specific mobile phone, Samsung. But when we talk about the mobile phone, there is therefore is a common noun because mobile phone may be in any company, any mobile company. So student, in short, प्रॉपर नाउन किसी भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु अथवा स्थान को एक स्पेसिफिक नेम देता है. बट कॉमन नाउन में एक पूरी क्लास के लिए बात होती है, एक पूरी स्टेट और एक क्लास और एक काइंड को हम इंडिकेट करते हैं. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एनी एक्टर, दैट मे बी अ कॉमन नाउन बिकॉज एक्टर मे बी प्रेजेंट इन फॉर एनी पर्सन. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अक्षय कुमार, देन दैट मीन्स देयरफॉर इज अ proper noun. Okay, so in collective noun, students, a collective noun is the name of a number, person, thing or an animal spoken as a whole, as like crowd, chain, class, school, army, bunch, band, bundle, etc. So when we talk about any group of person, thing or animal, so there is a collective noun, students, like school, army, bunches, students, classrooms. Okay. And in material noun, denote the material of which things may be made by silver, gold, iron, wool, silk, milk and sugar. जब कोई चीज़ मटेरियल लाइक पदार्थ या धातु से बनी होती है, वहाँ पर मटेरियल नाउन का यूज़ होता है. एंड एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन टेल्स द क्वालिटी, मैनर, आर्ट, सब्जेक्ट और स्टेट ऑफ अ नाउन लाइक ऑनेस्टी, एक्शन, सॉफ्टनेस, रेस, जजमेंट, इलनेस, डेथ एंड हैप्पीनेस, सैडनेस, truthfulness and etc. So student, these are the 5 types of noun, and in the first exercise of grammar of your chapter 4, point out the noun in the following sentences. Firstly, you have find out the noun in these sentences, students, and then write whether they are proper, common, collective, material or abstract noun. Like in the first sentence, he has a book. So what is noun in this sentence, students? A book. So, and this is a common noun. Shali and Lucknow is the noun in this sentence, and both are the proper noun. The students are sitting in the classroom. So classroom is the collective noun, student. And in the second exercise, fill in the blanks. A gang of robbers was caught by the police and a meeting of cabinet minister was called by the prime minister. So students, आपको इसमें से fill करने हैं इस exercise में. And in third exercise, choose the correct material noun. Firstly, you have choose the correct material noun and list them in your notebook, like cotton, wool, silk, sugar, milk, honey, okay, and gold. And in the fourth exercise, this is very easy exercise, students. Like teacher, you have complete the sentence like teacher by the help of this box. Teacher and students, cities and villages, ladies and gentlemen, gold and silver, question and answer. Okay, so students, these are the 4 exercises of this chapter, and I will send this exercise in PDF on your WhatsApp group. And if you have any queries regarding this chapter or exercise, then you can ask me on my WhatsApp number personally. So good luck for the exercise and have a good day. Thank you.